Did you know your dryer sheets are harming the planet? Let's uncover the hidden environmental cost of dryer sheets. These seemingly harmless laundry aids have a surprising impact. We will explore the hidden chemicals and waste they generate. This development reveals fascinating insights into everyday habits. Dryer sheets contain chemicals like quaternary ammonium compounds. These chemicals soften clothes and reduce static cling effectively. However, they're not biodegradable and pollute waterways. These chemicals can be toxic to aquatic life, disrupting ecosystems. Many dryer sheets also contain synthetic fragrances, irritants. Fragrances often contain phthalate, hormone-disrupting chemicals. These chemicals can trigger allergies and respiratory problems. The disposable nature of dryer sheets creates significant waste. Billions end up in landfills annually, contributing to pollution. Each sheet takes hundreds of years to decompose, a serious problem. Let's look at the history of dryer sheets and their impact. They emerged in the mid-20th century, post-World War II boom. Procter & Gamble introduced Bounce in 1969, a major brand. Convenience drove their popularity, but at a hidden cost. Now, let's consider eco-friendly alternatives to dryer sheets. Wool dryer balls are reusable and reduce drying time naturally. They soften clothes without chemicals, lasting for years now. Vinegar is a natural fabric softener. Add it to the rinse cycle. Just a quarter cup will soften clothes without chemical residue. Line drying is the most eco-friendly option, zero waste. Sunlight also naturally disinfects and brightens clothes well. Consider reducing your dryer use to save energy and money. Air drying saves resources and reduces your carbon footprint. Now, let's calculate the monetary savings from alternatives. Dryer sheets cost about 5 cents to 10 cents per load usually. Wool dryer balls cost $10 to $20 but last for over 1,000 loads. Vinegar costs pennies per load, offering great savings now. Switching can save you $50 to $100 annually, easily. Let's examine the environmental impact in terms of waste. Each household uses hundreds of dryer sheets every year also. That translates to tons of landfill waste globally overall. Wool dryer balls eliminate this waste stream completely too. Reducing waste helps conserve resources and protect ecosystems. Consider the long-term impact of your laundry choices. Small changes can make a big difference for our planet now. Choose sustainable options to reduce your environmental footprint. Making informed choices benefits both your wallet and the earth. Embrace eco-friendly practices for a healthier, sustainable future. By understanding the hidden costs, we empower positive change. Make the switch today, your planet will thank you greatly. Reduce dryer sheet waste and embrace sustainable laundry practices. Subscribe for more insights on sustainable living solutions.